We are talking about AI content creation. We're talking about AI content creation, and affiliate marketing. And so we're talking about AI, affiliate marketing, and content creation, and simplify. Okay. There are all types of tools we can use when it comes to artificial intelligence and AI content creation, and there are a lot of great tools. I mean, it's a lot. It's yeah, forgive me for a second. I'm trying to adjust my mic. There's so much great content creation software on the World Wide Web. It's actually one of the reasons why it's hard to stay focused when it comes to injecting AI content creation in our affiliate marketing. And so I'm always trying to figure out a way to simplify my artificial intelligence, my AI content creation, with the AI content creation software and tools. And again, there's so many. Just pick one, and you probably will be okay. I mean, we talked in the last video about AI. Basically, for me, it starts with a simple prompt. And if you can create a prompt, then you can create an image. And if you can create an image, you can bring those images to life, guys. That's what we talked about in my first AI with Us video, as I kind of onboard the AI with Us funnel system. And I should have said AI with Us funnel systems because it's plural. Every system, every funnel system that I use now, I have incorporated AI into the funnel system itself. And the reason I did that is because it's time. If you're an affiliate marketer and you are a content creator, then it's time to start utilizing funnels with the type of tools and resources that's most prevalent for our potential prospects to be looking for, because it will make hopefully their prospecting easier, and particularly when it comes to email marketing, right? Affiliate marketing. So if you are an affiliate for highly sought after AI content creation software, tools, resources, if you are an affiliate for those resources and tools and that software, then you can make money inside of your funnels using it. You get the benefit of using the software, and you also get the benefit of being an affiliate for that software. And that's why I build the affiliate components for all the softwares into the actual funnel systems. So as we build our funnels out, we can continue to perpetuate the growth of our affiliate marketing, if you will, through the affiliate component that's tied into them. Whether and actually they're all AI infused affiliate marketing software that's inside of these funnels, right? All of them. So from the list building to the actual content creation, page creation, everything now. So AI is infused in all of it, and it makes it so much easier, right? It makes your affiliate marketing so much easier when it comes to your AI content creation, right? So we talked about I can never say that, right? Chat GPT in the last video. And I see a lot of people saying, you don't need Chat GPT anymore. You know what? You probably don't. But I'm gonna keep it, right? I'm gonna always use Chat GPT. But the AI software that I'm going to be introducing you guys to has a GPT component tied into the software itself. So you don't have to have Chat GPT to move forward through the funnel. I'm keeping it in the funnel because I love it. Now, some of the softwares you're going to see inside of these funnels is more exclusive. It's going to allow you to do a lot of cool stuff, and you don't even have to use Chat. You don't have to use Chat GPT. You can, in most instances, you want to, but it's going to be a little more streamlined. And we're talking about all kinds of creative prompts that you guys are going to get instant access to for free, and it's going to just be a great experience, just in terms of your GPT, the GPT aspect of those prompts, being able to take a simple prompt and pop it into a GPT and have that GPT create an image for you. And we talked about the images that you can create. And so I showed you guys this one in the last video. But every image that you guys see on this particular page, in this particular funnel that I'm actually building out, and it's several of them, guys. It's a handful of funnels. You guys will get to see all of them. They all are designed pretty much the same way. But every image that I created on this page, I was able to bring the actual image to life, right? If that makes sense, right? I was actually able to bring the actual image.
Excitement, fun, and profits today.
To life, right? Every single image that I created, I took the image and was able to bring it to life. Now, ultimately, not this one. Now, ultimately, guys, what we want to do is, when it comes to our content creation, right, we want to get a little bit more creative, is fuse our content creation together. You know, just simple editing. And I'm going to give you guys a piece of software that's going to make your editing like, you'll probably not only laugh when you see how simple it is to edit your content, should it need any editing. But you might even want to go out and start doing it for other people, because that's how easy it is to edit the actual content that you start to create. Now, this when it comes to the videos. Now, keep this in mind. With GPTs, guys, you can create anything. You can create lead capture pages. You can create complete bridge pages, right? Just with the simple GPT. Bridge pages, lead capture pages, thank you page. You can create anything with ChatGPT. The software I'm going to give you is I won't say it's more advanced. It's the same technology. It's just programmed, right? It's infused with code for specific marketing, specific things you want to achieve in your marketing, right? Email. You guys are going to get to see it, but it's going to streamline the process. It's a GPT. But it's a GPT that's a little more, again, it's coded in a way that is going to allow you to really drill down. And it's just a lot of different prompts you guys are going to get instant access to. I mean, a lot. And you'll take them and you'll pop them. You'll follow over our shoulders. And you'll take those GPT prompts and you'll be able to go on to do anything you want. And even when it comes down to the editing, right, aspect of what we do, right? So this particular page was another image that I happened to create using GPT, right? And as we open up the AI with Us umbrella, you guys will see all of the different softwares that I use. I remember telling you guys in the last video that most of the softwares that you guys will come through in any of the AI with Us funnels, they're free. And of course, with a lot of free software, you can use them, at your leisure, when you want to, and however they fit into your particular scheme for whatever it is you're trying to achieve in your affiliate marketing using AI in your content creation, right? Whether it's a lead capture page, whether it's a thank you page, whether it's an intro, which we're really going to get some really, really, really cool video marketing, because that's kind of what it's going to boil down to. Ultimately, you'll be able to create all types of images and social media content, but you'll also be able to create some cool videos. And so, if you went into ChatGPT, you saw, well, let's pop over there. Let's go to ChatGPT. I'm still downloading software. So, it's as simple as just typing in a simple prompt. And in this video, guys, I'm talking about AI content creation, right? I'm talking about AI content creation as it relates to affiliate marketing, right? So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write a short YouTube video description about what it is I'm actually talking about, right? So I'm going to write a real short YouTube video description about AI content creation. We're going to say, okay, that's cool. So write a short YouTube video description about AI content creation, okay? And then we're just going to hit the enter, right? And it's going to write it up for me. And you can see right before your eyes, it's going to write up a prompt for me, right? I mean, I'm telling the GPT what I wanted to do. In this instance, ChatGPT. And if you look up here at the top, it say AI is changing the way content gets made. In this video, we break down how AI helps creators write scripts, edit videos, design visuals, and save time without killing creativity, right? Whether you're a YouTube marketer or just curious, you'll see how AI can level up your content workflow, right? Okay, so that's how simple and easy it is to pop a prompt into ChatGPT, and then you can go all day and night with this thing, guys. Once ChatGPT does something for you, it'll even continue to prompt. It'll continue to you can continue asking it even more questions, right? So I asked for a prompt for a short YouTube video description because this is a YouTube video, right? But I could also ask the GPT to write a short Instagram post, right? Post with a call to action. Okay, let's see what we get when we do that, guys. If I can get out of here, okay? So let's go, and let's see. Okay, so there it goes. Now it's writing based on what I asked it to do. It wrote a short Instagram post. That's what I asked it to do, right? And I guess the call to action would be follow for more tips, right? And drop a comment if you're ready. If you're already using AI, so that would be the call to action in that prompt. But the point is, you can just write. You can get really, really creative with these prompts. I mean, you can get really, really super creative with these prompts. And a lot of the prompts you guys are going to have instant access to. Actually, all you're going to be doing, if let's just say it's a product that you're promoting, then all you're going to be doing is substituting your product in some of these instances, the prompt with your product. And so everything else is done because it's really just a template, a prompt with templates. And all you're really doing is filling in the blanks. And when it's all said and done, you're going to be substituting your particular business opportunity, if that's what it is. Or if it's a review that you're doing for a particular product, you guys are going to get to see some great examples of how I'm using the software to do that. Product reviews are really cool. And you can do that kind of thing as well, right? So that's, when we talk about the ChatGPT, that's why I like it. I love it. No matter even if I use another GPT in addition to it, because you can just drill down and get even more creative in what it is you're trying to achieve in terms of your AI content creation, right? And again, this AI content creation that we're building inside of our affiliate funnel systems, right? And so this particular AI with us funnel, it's a live version of it, and it's a free AI a video crash course that I put together. Oh, still putting together actually. And let me just say that a lot of people now they want to learn AI, right? But it's so much noise, and there are so much software. It can be confusing, and if not just confusing, it's just hard sometimes for people to pick a lane and be able to stay in that lane so they can get focused, so they can get started with whatever it is they want to achieve. And so the way that I set the AI with us funnels up, it basically just kind of walks you guys through the processes, right, of getting familiar with the ChatGPT and knowing how to use ChatGPT so that when we open up all of the funnels, you'll know. It'll be a very streamlined process that you go through. You know what I mean? If you picked up ChatGPT, you have that component. ChatGPT will be tied into all of the funnels, and we're going to move into another piece of software in the next video, and we'll talk about how we're building out the AI with us funnels. All of the funnels are built that way, right? And again, the single most important point I think I want to drive home in this AI with us video, and when we talk about AI content creation and AI content creation as it pertains to affiliate marketing, is having the affiliate components of the AI software that you're using if you're gonna use it, and if it's beneficial to you, and you're gonna build your funnels around, or with AI content creation built into your funnels, you can benefit. That's the point I want to drive home, is you can benefit from that if it's inside of your funnel already, right? And so I think everybody should be building out their funnels, first of all, with other affiliate resources typed into those funnels that's non-conflicting. If it's a business opportunity you're promoting, that's great. But everybody's promoting business opportunities, right? You also want to have other resources inside of your funnels that your potential prospects can benefit from, right? It will help them further along in their business, and also it will help you further along because there's an affiliate component tied in. That way, you're able to generate even more income through the affiliate component of the software or whatever the other resources you have tied into your funnel that's not conflicting, and so will your prospects. And so as the funnels are built out and you start going out and you're sharing your funnels, other people are tapping into the resources, right? And most of them are free. So there's very, very few lines of resistance. You can pick up all of the software for free, and then when you get to a certain threshold, you want to get more credits and some of it. I really almost just eliminated all of that in these funnels. These funnels, basically, you won't be going in every other week buying credits, because we kind of want to drill our costs down as to a point as low as we can, right, and be able to do the things we need and want to do without having to do a lot of that. Now, you're going to do some of it to some point, because most of it's based on a credit-based system. But right now, every other day, guys, they come up with another software somewhere where, you don't have to pay a lot of these crazy auto ships anymore. You just don't. And you can still achieve the same goal with softwares that you can get, and you buy them, you get them one time, and you pretty much have a lot of the usage built in, particularly depending on the level that you come in on some of the software. And they got all kinds of deals that they always got going on. So you're gonna be able to do what you need to do if you just follow along. And it truly is, these funnels, guys, by the way, they truly are funnels that are pretty much, and I will just look at this one again because you'll see as they open and unlock, they're pretty much built that way, where you're coming into the funnel, you're going through the training, you're applying the training, you're using it, you're getting familiar with the software, and in no time at all, you'll be able to create images and bring those images to life, right? Like we talked about, you're able to bring those images.
When the green light flashes, it's jump time.